Good morning, folks. We are back in the fridge, and the icebox to be specific, because if you remember a couple days ago, well, about a week ago now at the time I'm posting this, I made a video talking about an issue that the icebox was having, where ice would basically keep getting jammed in this thing. Those little slots right there, you can see them. That's those little dispenser, those blue little dispenser arms. What they would do is pick up the ice, try and throw it, but for whatever reason it would get stuck between those gaps there. Well, I found out what the solution was, and this actually came on a gut instinct. So I had noticed a couple days ago, I'd sort of felt it. I was sort of feeling like, when I looked in here, I was like, you know what? These ice cubes actually don't look as big as I feel like they should be. So then I decided to check that little tube, or that little funnel over there, and I noticed that there was actually a bit of frost on that tube. So what I did was I got a fork. I was able to reach back there with the fork and clear out the frost, and that was about 3 days ago now, and the ice maker has been working perfectly ever since. So what I feel is because this thing is not on like a sensor, the water does not operate on a sensor when it refills. It literally just operates on a timer. It's always the same amount of time. I've never timed it myself, but I know just on a whim that it always dispenses water for the same amount of time. And as it dispenses and dispenses, maybe a little bit of water gets left behind, like the tiniest bit of a drop that just gets left there, and then the next time it dispenses, another one gets left there, and it goes on and on and on, and then eventually there's a lot, and it's not filling up the ice molding as much as it should. So I feel like that's what happened, because one, the ice cubes got bigger in size, and two, it hasn't been clogging up again. So I figured that it got to the point where the ice cubes were smaller than the gaps there. So that's what was causing the issue, because it hasn't happened since. Fortunately, looks like I fixed the problem. Yay. A redneck fixed it. And guess what? I tried. And look, the ice maker the ice box is just about completely full. Perfect. I haven't needed a drink. But that's going to do it for today's video. The icebox is fixed. Hooray. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.